Hi, I'm Eric Reed, and I'll be your instructor for CEH version 10. So why would you want to take Certified Ethical Hacker? It is by far, hands down, the coolest course in IT certification training. Hacking is no longer a matter of if, but when. And you're going to learn exactly how the hackers break into real-world environments, and you're going to learn these techniques for the sole purpose of finding the vulnerabilities in your network and correcting them before the bad guys do and the damage is done. You get to defend your network by doing the same thing the bad guys do, and you don't have to worry about getting caught or going to jail for it. You're going to learn a 5-step hacking methodology, starting off with footprinting and reconnaissance, moving into scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and then finally covering tracks. We cover 20 modules in the course, ranging from an introduction to ethical hacking to cryptography, including our newest module, by popular demand, hacking IoT or Internet of Thing devices. We're also going to introduce you to EC Council's Storm device, a mobile attack and network defense device and toolkit that's now available as an upgrade option with your courseware purchase. You're going to learn to hack different types of environments. And we're also going to take a look at all the various types of malware threats, use of Trojans, bots and botnets, viruses, worms, and other types of spyware. We're going to show you how to perform these same types of attacks to test your own environment. The iLabs component of the course is going to give you a 6-month, 24/7 access to a virtualized lab environment set up with a variety of machines to attack, where we're going to show you exactly how to run the different tools and practice the different techniques in a safe environment over and over and over again. The demand is there for certified ethical hackers, and it's just going to continue to grow. So I encourage you to sign up for CEH v10 today.